In a major political shakeup, US President Donald Trump has appointed one of his closest aides, Sergio Gore, as the next US ambassador to India and special envoy for South and Central Asia. Known for his unwavering loyalty and key role in Trump's 2020 and 2024 campaigns, Gore's elevation signals a strong continuation of the MAGA ideology in international diplomacy. But his appointment isn't without controversy, especially with tech titan Elon Musk, who has publicly branded him as a snake. So, who exactly is Sergio Gore and why does Elon Musk dislike him? Well, let's break it down. So, who is Sergio Gore? Born on November 30, 1986 in Tashkent, Uzbekistan, his original last name was Gorokhovsky. He moved with his family to Los Angeles in 1999 and later attended George Washington University. His mother is of Israeli origin, while his father was an aviation engineer who worked on aircraft designs for the Soviet military. Gore's political career began with his support for Senator John McCain's 2008 presidential campaign. He has worked for the Republican National Committee and was appointed director of the RANDPAC in 2013. He joined Trump's political orbit in 2020 and became a key planner in the Make America Great Again, that is MAGA movement. After Trump returned to office in 2024, Gore was named director of the Presidential Personnel Office. Now, while Gore's appointment made headlines, it also brought renewed attention to his public feud with Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk. Their relationship, once cordial, turned sour earlier this year. In mid-June, Musk called Gore a snake on X after the New York Post reported that Gore, who was responsible for vetting thousands of government staffers, had allegedly not submitted his own paperwork for permanent security clearance. However, the White House denied these claims, asserting that Gore had submitted the required documents. The bad blood between the two reportedly went further than online insults. According to reports, in one particular controversial incident, Gore submitted a dossier on Jared Isaacman, a Musk ally who had been nominated for a high-profile role at NASA. The dossier led to the nomination being reversed, a decision that infuriated Musk. This internal friction ultimately led to Musk's resignation from his advisory role in Trump administration. Now, as the US sharpens its diplomatic strategy in Asia, all eyes are on Sergio Gore, a loyalist with a controversial past and powerful enemies. From staffing the government to facing off with Elon Musk, Gore's next chapter begins in India. What are your thoughts? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.